Hey yummies, welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Keem and I'm here to make cooking simple, easy, and delicious. You don't need to be intimidated in the kitchen anymore. Today we're making miso salmon. If you love fish and you're interested in a fish dish or a fish recipe that's a little bit different, this video is for you. Make sure that you like, subscribe to the channel, and comment and let me know what you think. I love reading all the feedback from you guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, so let's go. Thank you guys for joining me. Love you guys. Be blessed. See you in the next one. Mwah.